Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dre. I do skincare, makeup, and handbag videos with the slight emphasis on Chanel here and there. So if that's the vibe that you like, if that's the content that you like, hit subscribe for more. Okay, so the last couple handbag videos that I did, I got so many comments of you guys asking how I clean and condition my handbags. Now, I was a little reticent to do this video because I'm not a leather expert. I've done a good amount of research on leather and taking care of it, but you know, the steps that I take is very low maintenance. So if you guys logged onto this video looking for like an in-depth way to like condition and restore your leather bags and goods like that, this is not it. This is like the most lazy girl, low maintenance way that I know to clean and maintain my leather handbags, my designer bags, all the above. Now, if you are looking for like deep clean, deep condition restore, I know there are other videos on YouTube that will help you do it. But if you are not a professional yourself and you're looking for professional work, I would go ahead and seek professional work. So when I need something repaired or like restored or really deep conditioned, I take it to my leather guy that is in my city, and he's done a great job with all my pieces and I really trust him. So like I said, I'm not really a leather expert, but I have talked to a lot of handbag professionals, and I do know and I do a lot of research on handbags and leathers and stuff like that. So this is just what I do to clean my handbags and to make sure that I upkeep them. And it is important for you to take this step on your own as opposed to waiting an extended amount of time and then letting all the stains kind of build up on your bag and then taking it to a leather specialist later, because leather is porous and it does absorb everything that's on a surface. So if you let a stain stay there for too long, and if you let dirt and oils from your skin or just from your environment build up on the leather, it can dry out and it will compromise the integrity of it. So you don't want that. This method will help you remove pen marks, nothing too severe, don't get crazy now, just, you know, mild pen marks, any transfer that you get from your jeans. This has also helped me remove that, or just like, you know, daily dirt and oil from your hands transferring to your bag. So this method has really saved me when it comes to maintaining my lighter color bags so that they don't look so dingy. Today I'm going to be demonstrating with my Diorama bag. This one I talked about recently. It is a recent acquirement, and I did do some slight spot cleaning, but I did take it on a trip with me and I didn't do too in-depth of a cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna just spruce it up a little bit, remove as many stains as I can, just so that I maintain it. And of course, for the sake of making this video, I am going to clean this bag for you guys. And especially since this one is pale in color, you guys are going to be able to see that any dirt or oil transfers very easily, and it's definitely a lot more visible than like say one of my black bags or like my red bag. That little stains here and there show up a lot more easily. So let's jump in and get started. Hi, can I get you to scoot over just a little bit? Scooch. Okay, so Tofu's gonna be in frame, but I don't think you guys are gonna mind. Okay, I don't know, every time I film she wants like attention. Okay, so today I'm gonna be cleaning my Dior Diorama. There are definitely like a lot of stains on here. So this bag is currently stuffed, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of the stuff, everything that I stuffed it with. So there are definitely some stains on here. You guys can see that there's this huge one right here. There's a more, like the stain here is a little more mild, but it still exists. There's also one here. I think you guys can see it in certain lightings. It's a little gray, and I think it's from the chain because I did clean this off before and it came back. So, and just a couple of different areas, like I don't know what I did, but this is a thing. But what I'm gonna do is actually remove the chain because this does unbuckle, and there is staining on the chain, as you guys can see. There's staining there, definitely staining here, a lot of staining here, and just, I mean, and it makes sense because I do wear this quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the chain. Oh yeah, see this. So removing the chain is going to give me an easier access point to a lot of the areas that need cleaning. I have with me a couple cotton pads and a towel. This towel is not dirty, it's just stained, but it's a clean towel. Any towel that you don't care about will do. And I use cotton. So I go in initially with the cotton to focus any of the stains that I really want to remove. So some of the more stubborn ones, like the ones that you guys saw up here, I will work on those with the cotton pads. And then for all over the bag, I tend to use this guy. The product that I'm using is the Nordstrom leather cleaner and conditioner. So this one is sold at Nordstrom in the handbag department. I had a friend that worked in the handbag department and he was the one that introduced me to this. So there are a lot of different other ones on the market, but this one just tends to work well for me. This is 502 milliliters, so about half a liter, and I've had this for a while now, and a little bit definitely goes a long way. For this item, so the ingredients in this, it's basically a couple of oils to help condition the bag and a mild detergent to help lift and remove any stains. So the vegetable glycerin, the xanthus gum, and the potassium carbonate and potassium bicarbonate, it's kind of what helps the detergent kind of like lift everything up. The diglucosides and hydropropyl phosphate, that is also a detergent. So we have a little canola oil in here and the soya and the olazoms to help condition the bag. So there's nothing too crazy in here. I'm sure there are other products out there that are, you know, much better for the bag. This is not the worst. This is not going to ruin your bag, but this is just like if you're looking for a quick fix to remove the stains and just to kind of like spruce things up. I've never had a problem with this. The ingredients, like I said, are very mild and very effective. So I love using this. And I just wanted to mention it one more time in this video that this is not a professional cleaning. This is literally just me cleaning my bag so that the stains don't really soak into the leather and then become permanent. So this is just how I maintain my bags. It's quick, it's easy, and it's literally fit for the everyday person who's not an expert. I have two because there's gonna be a wet one and there's gonna be a dry one. So the point is for you to go in with a wet one, remove it, and then go in with a dry one to just like dry it up. So with the first cotton pad, I'm going to spray the slightest bit of it. The texture is pretty viscous. It's not really soapy, but there is, like I said, detergent in it. There's a little bicarbonate, so you will see a little foaming, and that's perfectly normal. It's not going to damage the bag at all. So I'm just massaging it so it saturates different areas of the cotton. Okay, I zoomed in for you guys. And then we're gonna start with this stain right here. I'm gonna go in and... 'Cause I'm fed up. I can never be enough for you. And just like that, the stain is gone, and as you can see, it's been removed. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this light stain here. I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Nice and clean. And I'm gonna go in with the dry and just kind of wipe off any excess. You don't, like I said, leather does have pores, and you don't want the leather to absorb too much of that detergent or any of that. So a little bit does go a long way. The point is just for you to remove and then rub off excess. And already it's looking much better. Okay, I'm gonna try to get into this area right here. As you can see, like it's super stained. Oh, I'm fed up of this, 'cause you're my best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Time for small sex, no regrets. Living in the moment every time that we get undressed. No, any kind of feeling can't come through, 'cause we're living in a space where we're separate too. That's true. Make sure that whatever you do, when you walk out the door, you don't text me too soon. So I've gotten rid of the majority of the more obvious stains. So now I'm just gonna go in and give my bag more of like a nice overall clean. And then I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but like this is significantly not white. Like it is decisively not white. It was able to pick up and remove all the stains that were on the bag. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go in with my towel, and again I'm gonna stick to the dry and wet technique. So I'm going to slightly saturate the side, massage it in. This is a good amount, like just a little bit. And then now I'm just gonna give my bag like an overall nice little scrub down. No,
We're talking night, but it's not that
Don't be afraid to be aggressive with the bag. It can take it. Like, I'm definitely one to baby my bag, but when it comes to like cleaning, I mean business. And it looks like I missed a spot here. You guys can see that like faint little. I'm gonna go in and clean that up.
it's not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't.
So areas that you should pay special attention to are bottom seams like this. This protrudes out a little more, so just during day-to-day interaction, it is more likely to just hit corners and gather dust and stuff like that. And especially since this is like where we tend to open our bag, this tends to be like a really high traffic area. So it just has a higher potential of getting dirty.
I seem to like some self-control when I'm in these situations with my heart and soul. Cause I'm fed up. I can never be enough for you. Oh, I'm fed up of this. Cause you're my best dream. Words not meant all at the same time.
I'm gonna focus on the chain and the strap and the leather that is on the strap. Of course, naturally, it's gonna have quite a bit of staining and dirt on it because there's a lot of traffic on this because we lift and handle our bags via the strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wet, reload it, and let's get started. So let's start with the staining that is there.
Any kind of feeling can't come through, cause we're living in a space where we're separate too. That's true. Make sure that whatever you do, when you walk out the door, you don't text me too soon, cause a message from you will be a message on you unless it's been 6 days. Then send it through, cause you're my best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream.
Okay, so I hope you guys found that video helpful. Again, I'm not a professional, but this is just the easiest way that I have found to both clean and condition my leather. This is not like the end all be all, so this is not gonna provide solutions for all of your handbag problems, but for like a quick fix or just like to help maintain here and there, this definitely helps. But yeah, if you guys have any tips and tricks, or if any of you guys are leather experts on here, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to keep learning, especially since these handbags are really expensive. So if you guys have any better techniques or better tricks, I would love to hear about them. But yeah, comment down below, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or on KakaoTalk. I'll link all my information down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.